Hello friends, this is N Patel and today I am going to start our topic that is circle. So let's begin with the circle. What is circle? In our daily life, you have seen so many things which are circular in shape, such as wheel, wall clock, cakes, bangles, then buttons. There are so many things which are circular in shapes, and you have seen in our daily life: wheel, wall clock, buttons, bangles, and etc. These are the circular in shape, and circle plays a very important role in our daily life, especially in mathematics. We discuss about circle in geometry. So let's begin with our circle. So first I am going to tell about the what is circle. Circle is a collection of all points in a plane from a fixed point to a constant distance. This is the fixed point and this is the constant distance. Here is the fixed point is called center of circle. Fixed point is called center of circle. And the fixed distance is called radius of circle. And the fixed distance is the radius of circle. In circle we will cover so many points such as radius. Second one is the circumference. Then we will discuss about the diameter. What is diameter? Then we will discuss about the chord. What is chord? Then we will discuss about the sector. Then we will discuss about the segment. Then we will discuss about the arc. There are so many topics which we will cover in the circle. So let's begin with our topic, radius. What is radius? I have already told you about the circle. Circle is the collection of all points in a plane from a fixed point to a constant distance is called the circle. So here the fixed point is called the center of circle. I have already told you. And the fixed distance is called the radius of circle. So this is the radius. So next come to our diameter. What is diameter? This is the circle. Diameter is the line which touches 2 points of a circle, and the diameter is always passed through the center of circle. Diameter is always passed through the center of circle, and diameter is called the biggest chord of circle. Diameter is also known as biggest chord of circle. Diameter is also known as biggest chord of the circle. And the diameter is the twice of radius. So this is all about the diameter. So next come to the chord. What is chord? Just like diameter, chord also touches 2 points of a circle, but this is the chord. So there is the basic difference between the chord and diameter. Every chord is called, every diameter is chord, but every chord is not diameter. Every diameter is called chord of circle, is known as chord of circle. But every chord is not diameter. So this is all about the chord. After chord, we will discuss about the arc. What is arc? This is the circle. If you mark 2 points on the circle, if you mark 2 points on a circle, so this part is called the arc of the circle. Arc is a part of circle, so this is called the arc of circle. It is also written as arc AB. After arc, we will discuss about the sector. What is sector? As you know, this is the center of circle O. This is the radius, and this is the radius. The area lies between the two radius and arc of the circle is in the sector of circle. So this area is called the sector of circle. This is the sector of circle. The area lying between two radii and arc of the circle is known as the sector of circle. This is the minor part, so it is called the minor sector. This is the minor sector, and this is the major sector. After sector, we will discuss about the segment. What is segment? So we will discuss about the segment. This is the circle. This is the chord of circle. This is the center O. The area lie between the arc and chord of circle is known as the segment of circle. So this is the minor part, so it is called the minor segment. This is called the minor segment, and this is called the major segment. After segment, we will discuss about the secant. What is secant? This is called what is secant? This is the circle. This is the center of circle. When a line intersects circle in two distinct points is known as the secant of circle. So here is the secant AB. After secant, we will discuss about tangent. What is tangent? This is the circle. This is the center. When a line touch only at one point of the circle is known as the tangent of circle. So this is called the tangent AB. And the radius is always perpendicular to the tangent of circle. So guys, this is all about the circles. Hope you have understood all these points what I have told you. Thank you. Good day.